students, yes, previously we have seen, I sent you a part 1 video of poem number 9, Sing a Song of People. Yes, so that is about the people who sing a song, who are very busy in their life, who are very having their hectic schedule on in their life. They don't get the time to even spend the time with their family members and all. Yes, so today we are going to see the another poem, the new poem number 10, Malu Bhalu. Is it interesting, students? इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है आपको? मालू भालू, भालू एक वर्ड है, हिंदी वर्ड है, इट इज एन हिंदी वर्ड स्टूडेंट्स, एक हिंदी वर्ड है, उसे हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? पोलर बियर. यस, व्हाट वी से इन इंग्लिश? भालू को हम क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? पोलर बियर्स. इट स्टे इन द स्नोई रीजन्स. यस, स्नोई एरियाज में, स्नोई रीजन्स में जहाँ पे ठंडी होती है, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा, वहाँ पे वो रहते हैं पोलर बियर्स. Yes, they stay there. So there is a poem about Malu and Bhalu. How they live, how they stay. Yes, ये एक बच्चे की और एक अपने माँ की का स्टोरी मीन्स पोएम है इसमें. That is about Malu and Bhalu. So आपने कई ऐसे चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा होगा EVS में. There are many types of animals who lives in the snowy regions. They stay बहुत सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स है जो स्नोई एरियाज में रहते हैं. बट टुडे वी विल सी समथिंग अबाउट मालू एंड भालू. यस, दे बोथ आर अ गुड मदर एंड अ चाइल्ड. दैट इज अ पोएम अबाउट अ मदर एंड अ चाइल्ड, हाउ दे स्टे, हाउ दे स्पेंड देयर टाइम. वी विल सी by stanza in this poem. And before that we will know that who is the poet of this. So the Sandhya Rao, it's actually the poem, it was written in Hindi, students. It was written in Hindi and it was written by Kamla Bhasin. In Hindi it was written by Kamla Bhasin and it's translated from Hindi to English by Sandhya Rao. Yes, it is translated by Hindi to English by Sandhya Rao. So what she is trying to say in this poem, through this poem, we will see. It's very interesting. And let's continue with our first stanza of this. Let's see the first stanza of this poem. Yes. So high up in icy lair lived a little polar bear. Snow white, snow bright was her mane. Malu Bhalu was her name. Yes, so what it's trying to say? Again read. High up in icy lair lived a little polar bear. Snow white, snow bright was her name. Malu Bhalu was her name. So actually the name of that polar bear was Malu. What was the name? Malu. It's here the story about the little polar bear and his mother. Yes. So let's see. High up in icy lair. High up in icy, इतनी ठंडी सीजन में, ठंडी हवा में, wild animals. Polar bear is actually a wild animal. So what's the meaning of lair, students? Animals where wild animals laying place. Wild animal laying place where the wild animals live. Yes, high up in the icy air. They stay in the icy air layer means जो mountains होते हैं which are covered with the snow. They live there. Yes, they live in that laying place. There, that is the laying place means the layer in the icy layer. Yes, lived a little polar bear. छोटा सा एक polar bear रहता है, right? Snow white, snow bright was her name. Snow white, its color was very whitish color, like a snow, like a ice. Yes, snow white, snow bright. It was shining also, very bright color was there. And what is the meaning of mane? Mane means long hair पास में, that is called the long hair on the neck of some animals. वो उसके कंधों पे बाल थे बहुत, that she was having much hair on her neck. So that is Malu. Malu Bhalu was her name. What was her name? Malu Bhalu. Yes, what was the name? Malu Bhalu. Yes. Now let's see the second stanza. Second stanza of the poem. Very soon our Malu Bhalu learned the things her parents knew. Fish to catch, big and small. Malu was a clever girl. Yes. So what's they are trying to say in this stanza? Let's read. Very soon our Malu Bhalu, बहुत ही जल्द Malu Bhalu learned the things her parents knew. वो अपने मम्मा पापा से नई नई चीजें सीख रहे थे जो उनके पेरेंट्स को पता थी. Fish to catch, big and small. What they were eating, students? Polar bear, they were eating fish. So he tries to catch the fish. Even it was big or it was small. She was learning to catch the fish which was big and small. Malu was a clever girl. Malu बहुत ही clever, बहुत ही चतुर लड़की थी. Yes. Now let's see the third stanza. The third stanza of the poem. Malu said to her mother one day, "Ma, I am going far out to play. I want to see that things that lie. I want to see the things that lie." So what it's trying to say? Let's see. Malu said to her mother one day. मालू ने एक दिन अपनी मम्मा को बोला, माँ, that माँ, I am going far out to play. मम्मा मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, बाहर खेलने जा रहा हूँ. Far out बहुत ही दूर मैं बाहर खेलने जा रहा हूँ. I want to see that things, see the things that lie. मुझे ऐसी चीजें देखनी है. She want to see the things which lie, जो चीजें झूठी होती है बोलते हैं, but she want to see the actual world. She want to see the actual things that lie. Yes. So Malu, let's read it again. Malu said to her mother one day, "Ma, I am going far out to play. I want to see the things that lie." Right? Again हम देख लेते हैं क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं इसमें. That मालू को एक दिन अपनी मम्मा से उसने एक दिन बोला क्या? What she told? She told that she want to go out for play. बहुत ही दूर उसे खेलने जाना था. I want to see the things that lie. उसको ऐसी चीजें भी देखनी थी जो बाहर है कि नहीं, वो चीजें एक्चुअल में होती है कि नहीं. She want to see and she gone to play also. Yes. Now see the fourth stanza. The fourth stanza, students. Yes. There beyond the big blue sky, a little patience child said, "Mom, in the summer when next it comes, summer, patience, water, test, Malu simply could not rest." Yes, what it's trying to say, like this you have to pronounce the poem. Yes, like this you have to sing a poem. Yes, so now let's see the explanation for the first line. There beyond the big blue sky. She want to see the big blue sky beyond the high air. Yes, she want to see the big blue sky. उसको आकाश देखनी है जो बाहर है. She was staying at a snowy region, so she was not able to go. So she want to see the big blue sky also. Yes, a little patience child said, "Mom." Here, what's the mama is telling of Malu? That a little patience. Patience means थोड़ा tolerance रखो, थोड़ी सहन शक्ति रखो बेटा. We will said the mom. थोड़ा सहन करो, थोड़ा tolerate करो, थोड़ा wait करो आप, right? So said the mom. मम्मा ने ये बोला मालू के. In the summer when next it comes, Yes, when the summer comes, when the summer season comes, when next it comes, जब summer season next time आएगा तब. So now here is, अब ये दो lines में कौन आंसर क्वेश्चन कर रहा है यहाँ पे? It's a question by Malu. Summer. What is summer? Malu was not knowing. Yes, she was not knowing what was summer. Patience. That also she was not knowing. Water test. ये कैसी परीक्षा है? Yes, what is summer? What is patience? Patience. Water test. ये कैसी टेस्ट है मेरी? Malu simply could not rest. Malu simply means मालू इतने अच्छे से वो रेस्ट कुड नॉट रेस्ट, ये सब उसको पसंद नहीं था, वो रेस्ट कर नहीं, वो एक जगह पे बैठ नहीं पा रहा था. राइट? She was very much eager to see the big blue sky. She want to play so far and she want to go so far and play with other animals. Yes, she want to enjoy the nature. So let's read it again. There beyond the big blue sky, a little patient child said, Mom, in the summer when next it comes, summer patience water test. Malu simply could not rest. Yes, so now students, you all have understood the part 1 of this poem very well. We will see now the second stanza, but let's read lastly we will read the whole poem, the first part of part 1's poem, which is given on 161 in your page number. Let's read it. How to read? Let's see. Yes, we have done the explanation, we have seen. Now let's read it. Lastly we will read. Yes, so let's read. High up in an icy lair lived a little polar bear. Snow Bright was her name. Malu Bhalu was her name. Very soon our Malu Bhalu learned the things her parents knew. Fishes to catch, big and small. Malu was a clever girl. Malu said her mother one day, Ma, I am going far out to play. I want to see the things that lie there beyond a big blue sky. A little patient child said, Mom, in the other summer when next it comes. Mother summer patience water test. Malu simply could not rest. Yes, now we had read the poem. Yes, now it's complete. The part 1, how to read and the explanation I have shown you. Now we will see the next stanzas in the part 2. I hope you will watch this video and understood it very well.